step into the 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are cruise control, traction control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, passenger airbag on-off switch, front side airbag, rear bench seat, tow hooks, and driver airbag. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.